Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus which is Introduction to Trigonometry, and that class we take and discuss some important question of your NCERT exercise. Now in that class we are going to take and solve some important question based on complementary of angles. The topic complementary of angles. Let's see dear students. And your question is, which is very important question. If tan A is equal to tan A is equal to tan B, tan A is equal to cot B, tan A is equal to cot B, then prove that angle A plus angle B is equal to 90 degree. Okay, we have to show that the angle A plus angle B is equal to 90 degree. This is the question. Now what is the process to solve that type of question? Now here we apply the concept of complementary angles. Okay, so let's see. First of all we write given. What is given? Given as tan A is equal to cot B. So since we know that tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta, okay, thus here we can write tan A is equal to, we can write cot B as what? Tan 90 minus B. Because of this one here the angle is B, so we can write tan cot B as tan 90 minus B. Because of tan 90 minus theta is equal to what? Cot theta. So similarly, dear student, we can write cot tan 90 minus B as what? Cot B. So we can write in this way. Now comparing both sides, so we get angle A is equal to 90 minus B, that is B transfer that side, so A plus B is equal to 90. A plus B is equal to 90. Hence prove the questions. Okay, so this is the process. So dear student, this is the process to solve that type of question. Please dear student, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise. Now we take and solve some other important question based on same topic. Let's see. And your question is this is very important question. If sec for A is equal to cosec A minus 20 degree, where angle A is an acute angle, acute angle means that less than 90. Okay, acute angle. Find the value of angle A. Find the value of angle A. Now let's see its solution. So सबसे first of all we have what we have, sec 4A is equal to cosec A minus 20 degree, and where angle A is an acute angle, and we find the value of angle A. So dear student, we know that sec 90 minus theta, is what? Cosec theta. You already know about that. So here you write as in this way, since sec 90 minus theta is equal to what? Cosec theta. So here we convert cosec theta in the form of sec 90 minus theta. So let's see. So we write as sec 4A is equal to, we write sec 90 minus theta, means say 90 means 90 minus theta means that angle, that whole angle A minus 20. So here we write in bracket. Okay, so let's see. Because of we know that sec 90 minus theta is what? Cosec theta. So here theta is A minus 20. So we can write sec 90 minus, this is whole theta A minus 20. Okay, now comparing both sides. Now let's see one more step. So we simplify. First of all, we simplify them. So we write 90 minus a minus minus plus 20. Now we can write sec of 4a is equal to sec 90 plus 20, 110 minus a. Now on this is sec 4a and this is sec 110 minus a. Now comparing both sides. So sec so we write as 4a is equal to 110 minus a. Now we simplify them. Let's see it. Take together 4a plus a is equal to 110. So we have 5a is equal to 110. That is a is equal to 110 upon 5. 5 2s are 10. Carry 1. 0. 5 2s are 10. Thus the value of angle A is what? 22 degree. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay, so this is very important question, dear students. So please do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on the topic complementary of trigonometry ratio. Now we take and solve some other important question based on same topic. Let's see. Prove that prove that 10 degree into 10 15 degree into 10 75 degree into 10 80 degree is equal to 1. Okay, this is the question here. Dear student, in that question we have to show that 10 degree, 10 15 degree, 10 75 degree and 10 80 degree is equal to 1. Now what I do for that question? Now let's see its solution. First of all, we take left hand side of that question, which is what? 10 into 10 15 into 10 75 degree into 10 80 degree. Now and first now we find the which are the complementary angle. Let's see. Angle 10 angle 80 are complementary to each other because of their sum of measures is what? 90. Similarly 15 degree and 75 degree, these angles are also complementary to each other because their sum of measures is what? 90. Now we take together or complementary pair. So we can write 10 degree into 10 80 degree and to 10 15 degree into 10 75 degree. Now we can write 10 degree into, here we write cot 90 minus 10, 90 minus 80. We can write 80 degree as 10 90 minus 10. We can write now because of, let's see, we can 80 degree we can write 90 minus 10. Okay, now same here we can write 10 15 into 10 90 minus 15 degree. We can write in this way. First of all, 90 minus 50 is 75 and same as 90 minus 10 is 80 degree. So we can arrange the given question in this way. Now what I do, let's see. And you know that 10 90 minus theta is what? Cot theta. Since you know that now, since 10 90 minus theta is what? Cot theta. So here we apply the same concept. So 10 degree into, here we write cot 10 into same as 10 15 right as it is. Here we write cot 15 because of here theta is 10 and here is 15, and we know that 10 90 minus theta is what? Cot theta. Now and also you know that cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. The reciprocal of cot tan is what? Cot na. So here we can write as tan 10 degree into 1 upon tan degree, because of cot theta is 1 upon tan theta. Okay, into tan 15 degree, write as it is, into here we write 1 upon tan 15. Tan 15 cancel to each other, tan 10 cancel to each other. So we have 1 into 1 is equal to 1. This is your RHS. Hence proved. So this is very important question, dear students. So please do more and more practices of that type of question. So this is the complementary case. So in that type of question, first of all you arrange the complementary pairs. After that you convert it into this way and you apply the formula and you get your result. Okay, now we take and solve some other important questions based on that topic. Let's see. And the question is, prove that cos 90 minus theta into sec 90 minus theta into tan theta upon, this is already done. That question is already done in previous class. Now we take some other important question. Prove that cos 90 minus theta into sin 90 minus theta upon tan 90 minus theta upon is equal to sin square theta is equal to sin square theta. So what I do for that question? Now we just apply the formula. Let's see. First of all, let's take LHS. We take LHS, which is what? Cos 90 minus theta into sin 90 minus theta upon tan 90 minus theta. And you know that the formula cos 90 minus theta, since cos 90 minus theta is what? Sin theta, and sin 90 minus theta is what? Cos theta, and tan 90 minus theta is what? Tan 90 minus theta is what? Cot theta. So now we apply the same formula. So cos 90 minus theta we can write sin theta. So here we write sin theta into sin 90 minus theta we can write as cos theta, and tan 90 minus theta we write as cot theta. And now we also know that the cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta. This is another very important formula, is what? Cot theta is equal to cos upon sin. So here we put as cot theta is equal to cos upon sin theta. So let's see. So sin theta into cos theta upon cot theta we write as cos theta upon sin theta. Now cos theta cancel to each other. Sin theta transfer in the numerator. So we write as sin theta into sin theta. Sin theta into sin theta as what? Sin square theta. This is our RHS, hence proved. So in this way you can solve that type of question. Now we take and solve some other important questions based on that topic. The question is, let's see the question. Evaluate each of the following. Evaluate each of the following. First is what? Tan 45 degree 54 degree upon cot 36 degree. Second one, cosec 32 degree upon sec 58 degree. Third one, sin 39 degree minus cos 51 degree. Fourth one, cos square 13 degree minus sin square 70 degree. And fifth one is what? Sin 36 degree upon cos 54 degree minus sin 54 degree upon cos 36 degree. These are the questions based on the formula trigonometry ratios for complementary angles. So these are very important questions of your syllabus based on that topic, that formula. Now we take and solve one by one. Okay, let's see. So first of all, we take the solution, first part of this question. So first of all, we have tan 54 degree upon cot 36 degree. Tan 54 degree upon cot 36 degree. So what I do for that? So first of all, you observe that here these are the complementary. Both the angles 44 and 36 are complementary to each other because of their sum of measures is 190. So here we apply the concept of complementary angles. Okay, so for that we can write as tan 90 minus 36. We can write tan 45 for 54 as tan 90 minus 36 because of, if we subtracting them, then we get 54. Okay, and we write cot 36 degree as it is. You convert only one of them, either tan 54 or cot 36. Okay, so we convert tan, we can write tan 90 minus 36 and we write cos 36 as it is. And since we know that tan 90 minus theta is what? Cot theta. This is the formula which we discussed. So here theta is what? 36 na? This is 90, so we can write tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. So here we can write tan 36 because of here theta is what? 36 degree, so we can write tan 36 upon cot 36 na, because tan 90 minus cot theta is it, so we can write cot 36 degree and cos here we write cot. So this is cot 36 degree, right as it is. Now cot 36 cancel to each other and we get 1. This is the required solution. So in the same way you can solve each and every question of each part of that question. Now let's see. Now take and solve the second part of that question. We apply the same concept here. Let's see. We can write, dear friends, we take the second part of this question, which is what? Cosec 32 upon sec 58 degree. Now let's see. Here 32 and 58 are also complementary angles because of their sum of measures is what? Their sum of measures is 90 degree. Now we can convert one of them, either cosec theta or sec theta. So we convert cosec 32. Let's see. So we can write cosec 90 minus 58 because of we subtract 58 from 90, so then we get cosec 32. So we can write cosec 32 in this way also. Now and in denominator we write as it is sec 58 degree. Okay, now look, this one we know that since you know that cosec 90 minus theta is what? Sec theta. Here theta is what? 58 degree. So we can write sec 58 degree upon here sec 58 degree, write as it is. Now sec 58 what? Cancel to each other. So we get 1. This is the required solution. Okay. So in this way you use and apply that formulas. Okay. Now we take and solve the third part of this question. Let's see. We take and solve the third part of this question. We have degree. Okay, now so we can write as sine 39. So we convert sine or cos. Okay, because here 39 and 51 are complementary to each other, na? Are complementary to, so we can convert one of them. So we can write sine 90 minus 51 degree. We can write, na? Because if we subtract 50, we subtract 51 from 90, so we get sine 39. So in this way we can write in this way also, and minus cos 51 write as it is. Since we know that sine 90 minus theta is what? Cos theta. So here theta is 51, so we can write sine 90 minus theta is cos theta, so we can write cos 51 degree, and here cos 51 degree is right as it is. Now cos 51 cancel to each other, so we get 0. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay, we apply the formula and we simplify them. Okay, now we take and solve the next part of this question. Let's see. So we take and solve the fourth part of this question, which is first of we have cos square 13 degree minus sin square 77 degree. This is also the complementary angle. Let's see, 13 and 77. Both are the complementary to each other. These are, now we can convert one of them. So we can write as cos square 90 minus 77. If we subtract 77 from 90, so we get 13, and minus sin square 77 degree, right as it is. Okay, and just you know that you write here nice cos 90 minus theta is equal to what? Sin theta. So here we can write sin square, here square na, so sin square 77 degree and minus sin square 77 degree, right as it is. Now these are cancelled to each other, so we get what? 0. This is the required solution. Okay, so in this is the solution of that question. So using that concept you can solve that type of question. Now we take and solve the last part of this question. Let's see. And last part of this question is the fifth part. So first of all we write we have what we have sine, so we have as sine 36 degree upon cos 54 degree minus sine 54 degree upon cos 36 degree. Now we can convert, both are the supplementary to each other, so we convert one of them. So we can write as sine 36 is right of sine 90 minus 54 degree, and we write cos 54 as it is. Okay, minus we write sine 54 as sine 90 minus 36 and cos 36 degree, right as it is. And just you know that the sine 90 minus theta cos theta and cos 90 minus theta sin theta, so we can write cos 54 upon cos 54 degree minus cos 36 degree upon cos 36 degree. So cos 54 cancel, to we get 1. These are also cancelled with, so we get 1. So we have 1 minus 1, that is what? 0. This is the required solution. Okay. Thus, in this way, you can solve that type of questions based on the trigonometry ratios of complementary angles. So please, dear student, do more and more practices of that type of questions. Now we take and solve some other important question based on these topics. Let's see. Now we take and simplify. Evaluate. Your question is evaluate and your expression is resistance sin 70 degree upon cos 20 degree plus cosec 20 degree upon sec 70 minus 2 cos 70 degree into cosec 20 degree. Now let's see. So these are the questions which is very important for you and your upcoming examination. Now let's see its solution. So here, let's see. If we observe each part of that question, so we observe that here both these angles, and these two angles also are complementary angles. So here we apply the concept of complementary angle of trigonometry ratio. So we can write sin 70 degree as what? Sin 90 minus 20. We can write na. If we subtract 20 from 90, so we get sin 70. And here we write cos 20 degree as it is. Okay. Same process, same method apply in second part of that question. Cosec 20. So cosec 20 we can write cosec 90 minus 70 degree and upon sec 70 degree write as it is, minus 2 into we convert 70, so we can write cos 90 minus 70 degree 20 degree, sorry, and into cosec 20 write as it is. Okay. Now since we know that, dear friends, since sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta, and cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. We know all that formulas, so here we apply that formula. Let's see. So here we can write sin 90 minus theta is what? Cos theta, and theta is here what? 20 degree, so we write cos 20 degree, and cos 20 degree write as it is, plus cosec 90 minus theta is what? Sec theta. Here theta is 70, so we can write sec 70 degree upon sec 70 degree write as it is, minus 2 into cos 90 minus theta is what? Sin theta. So here theta is 20, so we can write sin 20 and into cosec 20 write as it is. Okay. Now here let's see, cancel 2, these are cancelled 2 just, so 1 plus 1 minus 2 into, that since sin theta is equal to what? 1 upon cosec theta na, so here we write 2 into 1 upon cosec 20 degree into cosec 20 write as it is. These are also cancelled to each other, so we get 2 minus 2 cancelled, so we get 0. This is your complete answer. Okay. So in this way, you can simplify that type of question. So please do more and more practices of that type of questions. Okay, dear students, these are very important questions of you and your upcoming examination. Thus, dear student, in this way, in today's class we take some important question based on that topic. Now in next class we take and solve some other important question based on